going to talk about emphasis. Emphasis is also known as a focal point. It is what you want to draw your guest attention to when they walk into a room. So it needs to be an area that is visually important enough to draw and hold attention. So some examples might be a fireplace, maybe a large window, some piece of dramatic art, maybe an impressive piece or grouping of furniture. It should give your guest direction and order to the room. Other things that you can do is to create or draw attention to that emphasis. You can do that with color. You can also do it with texture, scale, or theme. The item or feature that you're emphasizing should be dominant to draw their attention, but not necessarily overpower the room where it's going to compete with other features. And it should be worthy of the attention that it's going to receive. If you look at these two pictures, you will probably, your eyes are going to be quickly drawn to an item or something in the room. The picture on the left, I would imagine what drew your eye was the grouping of pictures right above the fireplace. This room is pretty monochromatic, doesn't have a lot of color, but the pop of green above the fireplace draws your attention in a very monotone colored room. In the picture on the right, you'll notice the large fireplace probably draws your attention. And a lot of times in a room, a fireplace is a good emphasis, is a good focal point for the room. But not always, doesn't have to be, but a lot of times you can use that to your advantage. In these two rooms, you're going to notice the windows. You know, sometimes architectural features such as windows that have a beautiful view outside is a great focal point, is a great thing to draw someone's eye. So use that to your advantage as well. In these two rooms, you're probably noticing the artwork on the walls, especially since they're very large and kind of dramatic. Those tend to grab someone's interest or grab their attention. And on the picture on the right, it kind of looks like there's a light that might be shining onto the piece of artwork, which can also help to emphasize something. In these rooms, if you notice the picture, or the picture on the left, the ceiling up top makes you pretty quickly look up. It draws your attention, especially since it's a different color, but some kind of cool architectural element can really be cool. It could be a really great way to draw attention in a room. On the right, you might quickly notice the wall treatment with the flowers and vines and things on the walls. That might draw your attention, but also maybe even the crown molding up above on the ceiling as well. So there might be a couple things in there that might draw your attention. And then finally, in this bedroom, many times, not always, but many times in a bedroom, a really large or cool headboard may make a great focal point or point of interest or emphasis in a class, in a room. So there you go. There is emphasis.